Welcome to Hot Lemons, making a proper nice breakfast. Nice. Start off, 3 eggs.
3 eggs, 1 bowl.
Black pepper, a little bit of salt. Give it the old. A little bit of butter in the pan. So now, butter started to melt. This is the time that you go in with the eggs.
It's time.
There you go. Keep it on a really low heat. Like that. And whilst it's on there, slice up some spring onions. Slice up some parsley. So now you can see it's starting to set. This is when you start giving it the mix. Now if this was Mum's pan, she saw me using a whisk in it, she got fucking mental. Alright, so you see it's starting to set now. Just turn off the heat. And you keep moving it around the pan. Like that. Oh, yeah. So now it's all cooked. You're gonna go in with these 2 ingredients. And you just mix these 2 in nicely. Toast, eggs. Now here's where it gets interesting now. So we can go some parmesan on top. We've got some Parma-ham.
Parmigiano, Parma-ham.
Exactly. Good luck, sir.
Yeah, some lovely scrambled eggs on toast those.
It's proper ding dang do. I'll tell you what, it's a game changer. It's the kind of thing you eat in the morning, you're like, I'm having a good day now.
You have a good day after it, and I will give you that.
And when life gives you lemons, scramble them.
Scramble them up, baby.